Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, August 13th, 2010. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a max potential of 28 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only. Is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed at our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we had another large gap down this morning and opened up right around 77.50, but prior to that, off that Globex low, we actually had the news announcement that happened at 8:30 pushed us down and had a very fast reaction off of that downside move. Actually had an extension entry for a half gap trade pre-market, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks. Like I said, we opened up around 77.50, continued to push higher, ultimately closed our half gap from the pre-market, as well as the 4:15 and 4 o'clock full gaps. Came back down through our moving average, actually got a signal to get short, did not get the follow through we were looking for. We kind of hit our T1 target, bounced, hit our T1 target again, ultimately got filled on that, got stopped out for a T1 -2, and then we had the fast move to the upside. We actually had news that came out at 9:55. That fast move up actually gave another signal entry long on the extension basis, targets 1 and targets 2. Off that news announcement, you can see that fast move up, 9 ticks to the upside on that particular move. Went up almost to the previous day's high, actually traded down off of that level, found some resistance, came down through the moving average, gave us an opportunity to get short. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside as we traded down towards our daily pivot. Found a little bit of support, bounced, gave a nice, what we call a second chance entry in the room. Did a little quick reset on our signals, came down, gave us another signal to get short. That signal did not fare as well, got our first contract off, ultimately got stopped out up here on the second contract before the trade ultimately went lower. But we do a stop adjustment, and we keep our stops very tight after we get our partial contracts off. And in this situation, it kind of bit us a little bit, but more times than not, it actually keeps us in the trade and also keeps us from taking extreme losses. So we like using those tight stops. After 11:30, we actually got a bounce, lunchtime dead zone. This red area you see on our charts here, that's an area where we do not trade. We call it the dead zone. We just kind of sit on our hands. There's usually back and forth price action. Today you can see they found support and traded higher. But so we didn't get to participate in any of that. We wait till after 1:15, and we had a nice rotation back down, found a nice resistance area, came down through our moving average, got a signal to get short right as we got under yesterday's 4 o'clock close, and that signal did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside, and that was it for us today. 6 trades, 28 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of this screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.